Hey guys, it's Queenie Cole. How's everybody doing today? So, just a video of course. I'm reviewing the Samsung Note 8 today. So firstly, I literally just got it today. They're good because they deliver within the next working day, and yes, I am pretty hot and starting to sweat a bit. Ooh. My face might look a wee bit shiny, but just a sweat, it's fine. It's too bloody warm. Anyway, so yes, the Samsung Note 8. It came in such... This is the box it came in, but it's such a hard box to open. I'm not sure if I opened it upside down, maybe? Oh, shame. I think I did. I opened it upside down. Oh well. So right, this is the actual phone box. That's what we get in it. La la. So you obviously got the charger, the little bits and bobbies, and the tips and doddies, a USB connector, USB-C connector. So yeah, that is the box and the packaging, and this is the actual phone. It's so big. Honestly, it's nearly as big as my hand. Seriously, phones used to be this big in the olden days. Why are they still making them this big? So, I don't generally use Samsungs. I use my phone for the past 5 years, 5-6 years, has been an Apple phone, iPhone 5S, and I've loved it, so I've not had any problems. So obviously you've got the start button there, put it on and off. It's a nice looking phone. Oh, maybe not. A nice looking phone, of course. Not sure if I want to keep it or not. It's a interesting phone. I'm just get rid of some of this stuff. Right? Oh no, it's put it back. Oh, sorry. I've been doodling and all sorts on it. Look, I've just been doodling with the pen and stuff, see? So, fancy. You get the S Pen come out, and it's lovely. I'm just gonna get rid of this. Discard. So right, that's the main screen I've got. CS Pen. It's so fun to play with. You've got this little icon there. Just there, it's a little pen sign, and you can create a note, view all notes, smart select, screen write. I'll do a live message for you folks. There you are, folks, a live message. Okay, it's still got to create it. It's a nice little phone. Big phone. It's a nice big phone. Look how cool that is. I can see my reflection in the phone. That's so awesome. You can share that. You can, you know, send it off onto other people. So, I mean, you've got various options. You pull up and there's your screen. You've got Samsung settings. You download whatever apps and stuff you want. This is 64 gig, and it is also a dual SIM phone. So when you buy the phone, you can select which type of phone you want. There's a dual SIM one and just like a single SIM one. I picked the dual one just for fun. I don't even have 2 SIMs, but who cares? They were both the same price, so it doesn't really matter. Messaging seems pretty easy. Standard stuff. Create a message, diddle-a-doo. I don't have any contacts on this. I haven't even put a SIM in, so you know, you've got the internet. So I just randomly just googling. Yeah, thank you. You can split the screen, which is something I really love. So I don't know if you can see it. There's a little icon up there in order to split the screen. So you click on that, and you can have one thing there and a camera there, for example. See? I'm just gonna seriously flip it around. so you can see me. So I can sit there googling and noogling and all sorts and be sitting there text typing. It's brilliant. I've always wanted split screen on my phone because I'm always in the middle of doing two things at one time. Ooh, selfie mode, selfie. And then what I love about it is, love might be a bit it might be a bit extreme to say, but there is a way. Selfie stickers. Okay, right. We got something called sticker options. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, no, you can't. Can you see it? No, no, you can't see it. Oh. Let me see. No, because it's only a selfie option. All right. Whoops, just went. Just sitting here, posing away. Stickers. I don't know where it's gone. There it is. See, look, you got cool stickers like that. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Absolutely awesome. And I did another live picture. Whoop, whoop. I'm really enjoying playing around with this phone. Now, what I actually... Oh, I forgot to show you my masterpiece. Look at that. You see it? Can you see it? Oh, shoot. There. You see it? Masterpiece. Masterpiece. I've always wanted to draw on, like, you take a picture and you draw on it. So, yeah. I love this screensaver because I'm just wandering around and the screen is just moving. Can you see it? Okay, I know I'm moving, but... Oh, doo-doo. Okay, see, I don't know if it's actually showing me what's going on in the stars or just literally just a screensaver. So yeah, it's totally fun so far. I don't know why it clicks. It clicks for some reason, this pen. What I do enjoy doing, I mean, you can screen right on the screen. Yo, see yo. Or, you know, and you've got the pen option there. You can change what you want here. If I pick a yellow color and I pick this felt tippy top. Nice. Nope, it's too thick, that is. And the thing is, sometimes it's a bit temperamental, it seems like. Oh, see, you've even got a translate box. Hover your S Pen over a word to translate it. That's so cool. Cool. I was going to say cute, but cool as well. So, for example, if I... Okay, so Spanish. I'm learning Spanish. No, I'm like right now, I mean. No, it's no. Okay, well, I'm sure it'll do eventually. Eventually, I don't know, but it can translate a word on the screen. So very cool, very interesting. What else have I got? Oh, messages. No, not messages. Honestly, I don't even remember what I've used. Pen Up. There's an app called Pen Up on here. You can color, you can do whatever's. Start. Here you go. I picked that. And I can just color. You can't see it though. Seriously, what the hell? There you go. See color. I can do the scribbly type of color as well. Oh wow. Yeah, see the scribbly type of color. I scribble color anyway. It's a very fun phone. Obviously I just got it now. I'm playing around with it. It seems like a good phone. I do like my Apple phone, so I might still go for an Apple phone. Whether I do or not, I don't know. I'm trying to find an option here, and I can't see it. Oh, view notes. Correct. So, like, I can literally write notes on this. Seriously, come on. There you are, see? I can write notes. That's so fun. I don't know if it'll give me... There you are. I can write a note, so... Hey... Hey, follow Queenie Cool. Like, comment, subscribe on this video if you want to see more of me reviewing stuff. If you want to ask me any questions about the phone, it seems a bit temperamental sometimes. As in, it seems a bit touch and go with the whole typing, and sometimes a bit slow, not as fast as my Apple. So, anyways, that is all from me. Any other questions, like I said, let me know in the comment below. Check out my last video here, or one of my videos here, subscribe here, and we all do that boogie boogie woogie woogie woo boo boo. Do 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 do. That's Queenie Core saying bye bye. Queenie Core out. Oh, by the way, it was a pretty pricey phone though, just so you know. And I think there's a Samsung Note 9 coming out, so just in case. You can also have extend the memory on this by getting a SIM card, memory card. So yeah, sorry. It's not the best review. Hey, I literally just been playing with the phone now. Like, took it out the box and everything. So, take care, folks. Love you all.